So here we have the Ford Fiesta automatic on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is currently in. We're in park at the moment. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there, which I'll come back to in just a second. Up in the top left-hand corner, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 6,480. So that information can be changed for various things, from your trip computer, vehicle settings, your phone, your audio, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, just here. We have phone and stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side, along with a speed limiter as well. Over in the center, we then have the touchscreen for the radio. This is where you pair your phone. So hit Add Phone.
Search for Ford Fiesta on your device and select Ford Fiesta once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen and on your phone from there. When it comes to audio, you can turn it on from here and then adjust the volume down in that bottom left-hand corner. You've got a number of choices with audio. So up here, AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio as well. You can also plug in two separate USB devices. Should you do that, you'll have them appear up on here as further options for you. We then have, as I say, the main volume for the stereo just here. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature and the direction that the air is being distributed in. That button will turn your air conditioning on and off again. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Below that, a 12-volt charging socket and one of the two USB inputs I mentioned. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And then lastly, these two buttons just here. That one enables you to turn off the traction control, and this one will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.